There's a lot of artisans in Whidbey Island working in different media, whether it's woodworking, metal, glass, fabrics, poetry, writing. We're blowing glass inside an old firehouse, so it's the nostalgia is pretty high. We actually make everything right here, and there's a lot of talk about what local businesses are and what local things are, but we're like farm to table. It's furnace to pedestal. We take in the raw materials and we produce the stuff, and it goes right to the pedestal space. In a lot of ways, our format here is hyper local. It's a zero waste product, mostly recycled glass that we use. Silica sand is melted into glass nuggets, and clear glass nuggets, and in color form that's sold to us to make into artwork. And a lot of the materials that I use is post-industrial from like sheet glass factories. And then we had some glass shortages a few years back, so most all the products became zero waste, so we can reuse all of our waste back into products again. And it's a very unique product line, and this is our exclusive international retail location. It's a small community. It's a city of less than 1,100 people, and the entire size of the city of Langley is about the size of the Alderwood Mall. It's a cute little seaside village, and it's very friendly. It's nice here in Langley in particular. Our environment is really keen for glass blowing, really conducive for glass blowing. It's a cool marine air, so our summers don't get that hot, and our winters aren't really that cold. Local clientele, they like our products. They get them for gifts, and people like them. The recipients like it so much they think that was easy, and they come back for us for more gifts. Little stuff like angels. I used to make really big angels that were all elaborate with all these wings, but I was thinking, what's on grandma's table? What's in your curio cabinet? What are, little things that particularly ladies like to buy? I've been in the Firehouse since 2009. July of 2009, we opened the space up. It was built in the 40s, and it had been the city's fire department, and then it got annexed to the county, which was the local fire department here in town. It's just a garage, so a lot of people wouldn't be able to operate a normal business in here without a big heat source. And the city was looking for something in here that's more interactive and educational. And Whidbey's always been my home, and my wholesale business collapsed in 2008, like a lot of people did. And this was vacant city property, which I saw as an ideal not only location but building for blowing glass in. Tall ceilings, cinder block construction, north facing, and made it really ideal for a studio space. And then the location in downtown was really good. In the springtime, we're a whale city. We have gray whales that come right up against the beach. It's one of the few cities where you can actually see gray whales. We have a really nice marina to be utilized for water activities. When people have family come to the island, they have to take them places. They take them to Double Bluff, they take them to Langley. And the Firehouse has become a destination shopping location. We've been here for 12 years almost, and we have our own client base that comes specifically to see us in this space. And it was our client base that really kept us afloat last summer. We did, up until last spring, do experiences where it wasn't full-on classes. You weren't going to learn how to blow glass in 30 minutes. We experienced the process of blowing glass, and we suspended that last summer and kept the furnaces shut off. And we have a lot of tourist traffic in town, a lot of visitors, a lot of international visitors, as well as local clientele, which, being the fact that we make everything right here, and I grew up here, is attractive to local clientele. I steered away from high-end interior artwork when I opened the place, recognizing that giftables and souvenirs, stuff that was affordable. I mean, people want to buy local, they want to buy handmade, but it comes down to price point. And we offer a wide range of stuff for under $100. One of the most popular things is the wishing stones. They're a small little affordable trinket. The kids really like them, the kids collect them and stuff. And then you've got all your holiday, seasonal pumpkins in the fall, and your ornaments and little angels and around the holiday season. And garden artwork is a really popular product, especially now with everybody doing a lot of outdoor stuff and enhancing their gardens. So we're doing quite well with garden artwork.